Dear students, welcome to 10th standard biology class. Today we are going to learn about blood groups. Human blood is classified into four groups called A, B, AB and O. The concept of blood grouping was developed by Carl Landsteiner. He identified blood groups A, B and O. Blood group AB was recognized by De Castello and Steiny. Human blood contains certain specific substances called agglutinogens or antigens and agglutinins or antibodies. Antigens are found on the membrane surface of RBCs. Antibodies are present in the blood plasma. Based on the presence or absence of antigen and antibodies, human blood is classified into four groups called A, B, AB, and O. An individual has one of the four blood groups. In A group individuals, antigen A is present on the surface of RBC and antibody B is present in the plasma. In B group individuals, antigen B is present on the surface of RBC and antibody A is present in the plasma. In AB group individuals, antigens A and B are present on the surface of RBC and antibodies are absent in the plasma. In O group individuals, antigen A or B are absent on the surface of RBC. However, the plasma contains both antibodies A and B. Next, we can see about the blood donation. In blood transfusion, one must consider the antigen and antibody compatibility between the donor and the person receiving the blood, that is, recipient. When an individual receives a mismatched blood group from donor, agglutination or clumping of blood occurs in the body, which leads to death. What is agglutination? Agglutination is the clumping of particles. If an antigen, for example, antigen A is mixed with its corresponding antibody, that is antibody A, clumping of red blood corpuscles will occur. This agglutination of red blood cells can clog blood vessels and stop circulation of the blood to various parts of the body and leads to death of the person. Person with AB blood group are called universal recipient, as they can receive blood from person with any blood group. Persons with O blood group are called universal donor, as they can donate blood to persons with any blood group. Next, what is RH factor? RH factor was discovered by Landsteiner and Wiener in 1940 in rhesus monkey. The surface of RBC contains the antigen for RH factor. RH positive person have RH antigen on the surface of RBC, while Rh negative persons do not have Rh antigen on the surface of red blood corpuscles. Thank you, students. We can meet in next class.